A red light on your hoverboard indicates a problem preventing it from turning on. This usually stems from battery, charging, or internal electrical faults. Do not ignore this warning, as it could indicate a potential safety issue. The red light is a diagnostic signal, not a universal code, and can vary between brands like Razer, Swagtron, or Xiaomi. Before attempting complex fixes, start with these simple troubleshooting steps. First, unplug the charger from both the hoverboard and the power source. Next, locate the reset button, which is often a small pinhole on the hoverboard. Use a paperclip to gently press and hold it for 10 seconds to perform a reset. Finally, inspect all visible connections on the hoverboard. Check for any loose wiring or plugs that might be causing the issue. If these initial steps don't work, the red light error may require more detailed inspection in the next section. Simple fixes like battery or charger replacement are often DIY-able. Many owners successfully handle these with online guides. However, if you're not comfortable with electronics or the problem persists, seek professional help to avoid further issues. Disassembling a hoverboard can void the warranty and pose safety risks if done incorrectly, such as electrical hazards. Avoid these common mistakes. 1. Ignoring the red light. It's a safety warning. 2. Using incompatible chargers. Only use the charger designed for your specific hoverboard model. 3. Forcing the hoverboard on. This can worsen the problem. 4. Disassembling without proper knowledge. You could damage it further. Modern hoverboards feature integrated smart diagnostics accessible through mobile apps. These systems connect via Bluetooth and provide detailed error analysis. These apps provide specific error codes related to the red light, offering real-time guidance for troubleshooting. Brands like Ninebot and Segway offer comprehensive diagnostic tools. Users can run self-tests remotely through firmware updates. For example, Razer models like the A5 allow diagnostic checks that reveal issues such as sensor calibration problems. Advanced apps use machine learning to predict faults and send alerts before red lights appear, preventing issues through proactive maintenance. Future hoverboards will likely incorporate AI and predictive maintenance, alerting you to potential issues before the red light appears. Eco-friendly batteries and standardized quality control will also help minimize these problems. Proper maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs are key to preventing red light errors.